I was gonna drink my sadness away. Try a White Claw for the first time. But Walgreens doesn't have any, so I guess I won't be drinking today. There's a liquor store at the corner house, or at the corner of the street next to my house. But I mean, I'll take this as a sign for don't drink, be healthy. Except I'm about to go to Wendy's to get some spicy chicken nuggets. Oh my god, this bitch is alive still. This motherfucker's still alive. Come on. Come on, oh my god. So today the cockroach fucking ran up to me while I was shitting, and now I almost stepped on this shit while I'm trying to get my spicy nugs at Wendy's. Alright, so instead of drinking my problems and my failures away, I got my Wendy's, I got spicy nugs, I got fries, I got a burger in here, ready to eat. But yeah, there was a rat outside the building. I was like, ugh, today is just not a good day for me. Like, I was expecting to get a ticket too, because there was always all these policemen next to me. I'm like, ugh, today is not my day. Oh yeah, another annoying thing about today, I didn't get good sleep. There was a fly in my room, and it kept flying on my ear. So if you know me, you know I twitch like fucking crazy if I'm like surprised or startled. Like I go ape shit. So like once the fly goes in my ear pretty much, I like just bolt up, wide awake, flailing my arms like, yeah, get it away. Just went to the gym, just finished pooping. I get a call. A bitch wants to meet up with me. Alright. Let's go, vlog content. Let's go, that way. Oh, hey dog. Oh, you licking me. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Hey. It's a dog. It's a dog. Ah! I'm still afraid of fucking dogs, dude. But she's cute. But you haven't been posting on her Instagram page. Are you 1 year old yet?
No, she's about to be.
About to be one? Are you a proud father?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this guy. San Jose Sharks hat. What a fake. I bet you can't even name 5 of their players.
I only bought this because I went to their game. I didn't want to stand up. I'm trying to like jump on the bandwagon.
I know. Just thought I'd give you an update, or give y'all an update. You know, just been working hard. Yeah, haven't really vlogged much. Been starting to play Minecraft, Windows 10 version, not the Java one. Playing that with my guildies from Maple Story. Right now, I just finished a Harry Potter community day, so I'm here at the park. Got hella dragons, but this person online, I don't know why we're not like doing battles at the main area, so I'm gonna go. If you see this vlog, that means I'm alive, but if you don't, I'm gonna be walking up here. Hopefully I don't get murdered or robbed. Oh yeah. Alright, bye.
Hold on. Jesus, Ryan, stop it. Jesus, Ryan, stop it.
Birthday shots in Minecraft.
Stop it.
Okay, who's the weak?
That would be literally.
I'm pretty sure Adam's drunk from one shot.
What? You should ask. Dude.
Look at all these
Wait, Brian, are you going to
nerds.
get your bottle?
Yeah, I have my bottle. It's right.
You got alcohol with you? You got alcohol?
Look at mechanical bison.
Alright. What's the cheers this time?
What? I'm just chilling here. AFK battling in Maple Story and taking a Terraform workshop. So yeah, this Terraform workshop's using Google Cloud.
So do we need a couple more minutes? Use the Terraform documentation for the Google provider and go ahead and create a single F1 micro GCE instance. We're going to create a compute instance with all of the values that we changed, such as the machine type being changed to F1 micro. So once you've run the Terraform plan, go ahead and...
So in case you don't know, 4 is unlucky if you're Chinese, or actually maybe several Asian cultures. Today was a bad day. I've already been waiting at this Costco tire center. I'm 4th, and I've been here for over 2 hours. The worst thing about being adult and finally making money is I can literally just buy whatever I want right now. Big ass bags of chips. It's like you buy a whole bunch of shit you never had as a child, and now it's like I want everything. Liam, kiss, 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 Bia, kiss, kiss. Be slow, nice. Yeah, good, Liam. Okay. Good, Liam. You look fat today. Finally gaining weight? Did you run around too much? Oh, you better watch out with that bug. Better not throw it at her. Watch where you're throwing that ball, little man. Your first poo-poo in there.
Look at Uncle Brian. Look at Uncle Brian. Say yay! Yeah! Bow, bow, bow. Yeah, buddy.
It smells. So I start a new job working for a company called Consensus. I'm doing consulting. I'll be under contract. They're a Target-owned company. But look at this sick-ass beard I'm growing now. It's like super long. I can grow facial hair. Yeah, it's been super hot, so I guess the heat really ups my beard levels. It's still stubby though.
Wait, let me check out my leg.
This is bullshit! She does one raid and she gets the shiny Giratina. And it's weather boosted.
Yes. Listen to my gut instinct. Go, just go. Don't let him take your phone. You would have traded that thing to yourself.
This is bullshit. She only has 4 Giratinas.
I'm right here. Why are you saying she?
I'm vlogging. She only has 4 Giratinas, and one of them shiny. I got like over 40. I did raid hour. I do the raids every day. Close the door. So butthurt.
What is you saying?
Nothing.
Get out the car.
I will get out the car after I vlog away my feelings of frustration at your luck.
Is this what you do?
I gotta drive a lot, and look how comfortable this woman looks. Look at her. What the hell? She looks hella comfy. She just gets a nap and she gets to chill. I do the driving.
After we eat a big meal.
She gets to enjoy the food coma. And I'm here navigating while driving. And guess where we're going first?
Shopping.
Shopping!
Yes.
She got her feet up on my dashboard. She got a pillow and a blanket.
I'm tanning my legs.
Alright, so wallet's been getting old. LV. Got a new Coach one. Brand new, 40 bucks. So I'm gonna swap it all. Went to the outlet store, went there and left in like 5 minutes. I got there, saw this, I was like, okay, I got this. I don't understand how some people can spend more than like 5 minutes at an outlet. If you need just one thing, shoes, a bag.
Oh, that's gonna take weeks.
Yeah. So yeah, just go and get what you need and you leave. Isn't that how shopping works? You know what you want. You know what you want, so you just get it and you leave.
I don't know what I want.
Then you don't shop then.
You shop to find and discover what you want.
You don't need to discover what you don't need. Such focus.
Are you staying for a few days?
No, this is what Alexander needs, but just one day.
Can't go anywhere without all these baby things. Oh.
Hello, baby Alexander.
What are you doing, huh?
That was an airplane.
That. You're so strong, Liam.
I told you, he can't talk.
That.
He said his first word yet.
Oh.
Do you remember what your first word was?
Teletubbies is my sheezels. 1, 2. We got some Liam, and we got some pop-pops. What sound does pop-pop make? Boom? Boom. Say boom. Boom.
Boom.
Okay. Liam.
Đi rồi, chỗ mười mươi có được.
Bubble.
10 có được.
Bubble. Bubble.
Liam.
Bubble nữa đó. Chỗ bên đó. Chỗ 10 đi đó. Bây giờ. 10.
Liam. Liam, hi. Alright, so haven't been vlogging a lot. Been pretty busy. I started a new job in mid or end of October with a Target owned company. Target acquired them. Their name is Consensus. My mama got shingles. It looks like a flesh-eating bacteria. Man, I've gotten fat. I've been working for a while now, and You know, I haven't really spent any money on myself. It's past 1 a.m. I think right now. This is probably gonna be my biggest purchase for myself in years. Or actually, half of these items are for my girl. I'm giving her some gifts. I'm splurging a bit of my money. But yeah, you know, whenever my parents are like, pay this or buy this food, you know, I can cover for it now because now I make money. My girl wants a ring. I want a house. I want to travel. There's not enough money. I need more income. That or time just needs to fly by because I'm tired. Come on, focus your stupid camera. So yeah. As you can tell, it is 1 a.m. It's pretty much almost Halloween, and I am going to buy shit for myself. Well, not entirely for myself. I'm gonna give her a weighted pillow. I'm gonna get some Korean face masks. And get a blender, you know, can opener. I'm just adulting. I'm getting her some silk pajamas. I'm getting me some pajamas. I might as well do an unboxing of this, but yeah. Finally gonna buy a camera with some camera equipment because I'm vlogging with this shitty ass old phone that I have to hold up. I'm not gonna buy a vlogging camera though. I don't know how I feel about a vlogging camera.
So for these are way bigger. These are 1.2, 1.3.
Mom has a big one, but
The only thing is the phone is still and it's a little bit lower, but the cut is really nice.
she's
Really
telling
nice.
time. But Alina wants to upgrade hers.
Because
Oh yeah, no. For your stone, it's easy. This stone, I just printed it out on paper. He looked at it,
How's
looks
life in
good.
Singapore?
He left, comes back.
I can't tell the difference. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.
You should wait.
In the city, just got done looking at fucking diamond rings, and oh my god, it is fucking horrible. A dumbass car driving. But alright, I will talk about that later. So my Amazon packages came. I guess I'll do an unboxing of this soon. It's 3 big packages, hella shit in them. Here's my slipper. Here's my slipper for size comparison. I think that's the scooter, and this is like everything else, and I don't know what's in there. Not guai. No. Lori, the best mom. Look at Lori. Hi, Lori. We can just leave you here and ignore you, can't we? And you'll still be here quietly cute. I bought these. Okay.
What is that? What is it? Your head's a little cut off.
My heads count? Okay. Alright. So, my unboxing of like almost $500 worth on Amazon. This is a kick scooter, Honda big wheel style, made in China.
The lighting's kind of dark. Was it always like this?
Well, it's because the light's behind me.
Oh, okay.
Hit the toy. Alright, well, this is going to be my scooter. This is how I'm going to get to Bart. To get to work. It's a pedal scooter. Hopefully it doesn't break under my weight. What sucks when you buy all these online is a lot of them are only supported skinny ass kids or skinny ass adults and not big ass men.
Wow.
Alright, so yeah, I will just unbox this and set it up on my own later. Okay, wait, hopefully it supports me. This was $150. So this was the majority of my purchase.
Are you going to do a review on it?
What the hell? Why is this like this and not taped? What the hell? Like it's like that, you know? It's not taped. I mean, someone can easily just open it up like that. Oh, but it's a blender. Who wants to steal my blender? Okay.
You bought a blender?
Bought a blender for the house because we don't have one. Because sometimes I always want to make juice. So yeah, it's a Hamilton Beach blender. This was $50. It's legit just the blender. That's the base. Oh, okay, yeah. So unboxings. You think I'm barbaric the way I unboxed it, huh? Just rip open the cardboard.
No, that's how you do it.
Okay. Yeah, it's just... It's a blender, alright. Alright. So this is the rest of the meaty goodness. I'm surprised everything, I got 17 items or 19 items off Amazon, so I don't know if they all actually fit in here. Alright, so ah, shit.
That's
Okay,
like the
so-
next trendy scarf.
What?
That's like the next trendy scarf.
Yes, but it makes so much noise when I move and my ears and hair like touch it, makes so much noise. I got engine air filters and cabin air filters. I got some for both of our cars. So you know how to change it. No, I can't do that. Okay, so air filters for the cars. Throwing up stuff. Is this my stand? Right now my phone is propped up on a chair.
And a book.
And a book. Hella ghetto.
Held with a cushion.
Yeah, and a cushion. Oh wait. The burning is the cardboard. It smells like wood. Yeah, see? Stand. Look. Ta-da. Because she's gonna do her own unboxing with her journals. Oh my god. She bought stuff from Japan. It was like $200.
It was $250.
$250 for notebooks.
They're not just notebooks.
Just notebooks. Okay, so this is the case. Bye.
It does smell like burning.
Yeah.
It's from your cardboard box?
Yeah, the cardboard box smells like burning.
That's not good.
It's fine. It smells kind of manly. I like the smell of burning actually. Oh, there's a smiley face. So yeah, there's a lever. Or I'm gonna take it out. So you can use this lever thing to like angle it up and down. You gotta turn the knobs. You can learn how to use it like da 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 da. So see, I finally can have a stand, a tripod, and just whatever. Because I've been struggling. Just vlogging is hard when you have no anything to support it. Toenail stuff. Nail clippers. I need to pick my feet. Yes. Oh, this is my fake GoPro kit. So this yellow thing, you can bring the GoPro. Well, it's not GoPro, it's a different brand, but it's basically like the GoPro. So you can hold this. This is air. So then when you bring it to the water and you drop it, it floats up. And then the rest is like the chest harness, the head, and other stuff. Yeah, see? Fake GoPro. So I can actually, on our next vacation, we can take nice water shots or whatever. Or scenic shots. It's the outdoor stuff. It's the Cam Park or Cam Pack?
Did it have good reviews?
Cam Park. I don't know. It was cheap. It was like $50. It shoots in 4K. I'm surprised. Okay. Oh, what the? Oh, why is this heavy?
A box in a box?
Yeah.
With other boxes?
This is from LA, FBA. Oh, that's why it's heavy.
What?
Okay, so I actually have more packages though, because I got you some gifts and other stuff, but they're not in here. Or wait, oh maybe those are my packages then over there. Oh yeah, shit. Here, show the camera, I got you this.
What is that? Oh, they're stickers! They're so cute. Let me open it.
Chill.
Oh, thank you, Brian.
You don't have to open it now.
Let me show the camera how cute they are. They're little
You asked
bunnies.
for Japanese stickers, but I got you Korean stickers.
I said Asian stickers.
You said Japanese. Clearly remember saying only from Japan.
I didn't say that. Yeah, these are so adorable.
I like how this box says do not open with sharp instruments, and I ran a scissor right across the top.
You're such a rebel.
I know. Alright, this is why this shit's hella heavy. I bought you this for when it gets colder in the winter.
What is it?
Shit. Here. It's a weighted blanket. It's legit.
Why?
It keeps you warm. Weighted helps you keep warm.
It doesn't get that cold.
But dude, this is like 20 pounds.
Oh.
This is like a workout, actually.
My God. That's
here,
really...
come here. Sit right here next to me, and we will gift it to each other.
Oh! Oh my God! This is so heavy. How do you even wash this? How do you wash
Probably take
that?
off the top or something.
Really?
But yeah, it's to keep you weighted and keep you warm.
Thank you.
Oh damn, okay, I thought these were not my packages, but they are my packages. Alright, so it's like 4 more packages, actually. Tear at preparation. Oh yeah, I got you this.
What is it?
Hold up. The ta-da!
Are those pajamas?
Silk pajamas, pink. Yeah.
Thank you, boo. Wow, you are on a shopping spree.
Yeah, dude, I haven't gone on a shopping spree in like 4 years or something like that. Last thing I bought was my computer, and that's like from way back then.
Do you think pink is my favorite color?
I don't know. I got, yeah.
Wow.
And then I got a can opener because ours is getting rusty and nasty, so a newer one for the house.
So, boo.
Hold up. I got a red one for me though. I don't know where's mine.
Are we matching?
Well, mine's red. This is.
Why did you choose red?
Because there wasn't a pink one. There was only a red one. Where there was a red and a blue.
You like red over blue?
Well, I got red because I was like, good luck in the Chinese, you know?
Aww.
I'm gonna open it like a barbarian. Look.
These are the pajamas.
Oh my god. Got hella freaking boxes. Alright, this is an entire pack of Korean face masks. Yeah, you can open it up and show the camera. We got more face masks for you. There's it's actually a 16 variety pack and there's no duplicates.
Oh wow.
So you can read all the different ones if you want to open it up.
So
show the camera. You gotta practice being a vlogger now.
So there's royal jelly, pearl.
Come on, you gotta have more energy.
Green tea.
I'm gonna be a YouTuber.
White collagen. It's so hard to see.
Oh.
Snail.
Is there actually Korean writing on it?
Platinum. Yeah.
Yeah. Better be.
Herb. Cucumber. Aqua. Snake? Snake? They spelled it funny. It's snake, but they spelled it snake.
Okay.
Q10. Oh my god, it's so hard to do. Aloe, gold, charcoal, and last one is hyaluronic. Wow.
Yeah, I'm such a bad vlogger too, so those are 16 face masks. They were like $10 for all of them. Your pajamas is $20. Here's my red ones, $20. I should have said the prices of everything I bought.
You should have. That's what real vloggers do.
I suck at vlogging. Alright, weighted blanket was like, I think 30-ish or 20? 30. 20 was a smaller child size, 30 was adult size. The stand was $15. Can opener, less than 5. Toenail things, 5. Yeah.
This rabbit's name is Molang.
Oh shit, I forgot I got this. Bought headphones. These are like less than $20. Wireless Bluetooth with a microphone. So, cause you know, I don't know if I counted that, but yeah, this should be everything.
You didn't count your scooter.
Yeah. All right. End of my purchases. All right, let me just show the aftermath. Oh, I guess I almost ran out of memory already. But yeah, recording on this chair because I'm poor. Boxes. Yeah, I gotta transfer all my stuff on my laptop right. I want to get a new phone.
Gotta restock. And then the 2 red pens.